Good morning. Well, there used to be a saying that 1,000 monkeys type for 1,000 years and 1,000 typewriters. Eventually they turn out the words of Shakespeare. But after reading a lot of YouTube comments, it seems to me that that's probably not true, because I've read a lot of comments, more than 1,000 monkeys could type in 1,000 years, and none of them are anywhere near Shakespeare. But anyway, one of the ones I had recently was regarding my Irwin Workbench. Now, I've had a look on YouTube for other examples of this, and apparently this is an Australian thing. My video is the only video specifically on this table, but the Dewalt one, which seems to be sold, at least in America, is pretty much the same thing. So the comment I got recently was that it's not flat. And so I did a bit of research, and I kind of had a little bit of a look. If I put my level on it, it's not level. There's a dip towards the middle. Seems to be the same with any of the other reports I've read. Now, one of the interesting things I did see when I was checking these out on YouTube was that not only can you put the clamps through the slots in the top, but if you remove the bottom piece of the clamp, then you can put it through the holes. So yeah, he just has a screw to take out of here. And there's a captive nut on the other side, but you need to watch it. Now, one of the interesting things was someone saying that, oh, the holes are too small. It's so much work to take the bottom off the clamp to put it on there. And someone else on the same video saying that the thing he particularly liked about it was the Dewalt bench they were talking about, was that you could just pull the bottom off your clamp and use that to put the holes through it. So there's all sorts of positions when it comes to different things, and this is quite honestly a pain in the butt, because I can't get down under the table. I'm a big man, so I have to flick the table forward to put the bottom of the thing on. So I'm very, very tempted just to go and buy some newer clamps which have the quick release on them, because most of them do now. Or I have come across another option, which is with a different type of clamp I have here, where if I simply grind the little pin out of the bottom there, this bottom part will pop off. And it's not going to affect anything to do with the clamping action, because that all happens up here. So yeah, that's my next plan. Just to take the bottom pin off that. Okay, so I've ground that down and punched the pin out, so now it comes in and out like that. Oh yeah, so now with it simply apart like that, it is not that difficult. Reach into here, line up one of the holes, slip that back on there, and use that as a clamp. So, pretty happy with that result. This is not an expensive clamp. For those of you in Australia, you might remember Mr. Wicker's warehouse from back in the 90s. I think the clamp probably cost $3 or $4. It might have come in a set, I think, of $4 for $10. Yeah. Anyway, yes. So my build was right. The table is not flat. And they seem to be out by varying degrees from the videos I've seen. So, yeah, just something to think about if you need a perfectly flat surface. So anyway, just a little update. I thought that was interesting. If you did want to read any ridiculous comments, it's mattered everywhere throughout YouTube. There's a lot of people who have qualifications that are simply unbelievable, and I think my biggest video, my fake Milwaukee video, there's two comments that stand in particular. One is from a gentleman who states that his daughter and her service team use the fake Milwaukee products when they're doing $35,000 services on Lamborghinis and Ferraris and Porsches and things. Mind you, his daughter is 12 and she's also studying law and medicine. So yeah, that was a little bit of a funny one. And the other one was the bloke who said, oh, this would be great to buy this and then buy a real one from somewhere and send this fake one back for a refund. And was absolutely flamed in the comments and then tried to defend himself. So that's a bit of an interesting read. But anyway, hope you all have a good Christmas, and I'll see you in the new year. Thank you.